Hi everyone. Today I'll tell you how you can create how you can connect Google Calendar to Insighto.ai. So first we will come to tools. Here we will select Google Calendar, start a new. Now we will connect to the account of Google Calendar which we want to connect to Insighto. So selecting the name of the tool. Now choosing what functions I want. So I want earliest appointment, I want to check the appointment if available, and I want to create an appointment. Once this is done, selecting the ID, I don't want to CC anybody, selecting the time zone, invite title, hi. And selecting availability now. Now once this is done, my tool is set up. Now I'll have to call it in my assistant. So let me show you how that is done. You click on creating an assistant. Here we are creating a phone assistant. Let's choose this name and let's choose this model. It will work on any model though. Now coming to the prompt part. This is where you call the tool. So here in step 4, like we will ask them, okay, what time would you like to book the demo? Once they have told their timing, then we will check it using the available tool if the time is available or not. If the time is not available, then we have set the condition that okay, it will check what is the nearest time slot available and it will give it to them. Now once okay, the time slot is confirmed, then we will ask them their name, their phone number, their email address. Once all of that is done, then we will book an appointment using the tool. That's it. This is how it is. So in step 6 and step 4, you call out the tool. Now once I have done that, now I'll have to connect the tool to Insighto. So we can go over here. In Google Calendar there are many tools, Abhinav demo. And yes, the tool is connected. So this is how we create. So this is how we connect to tool and call out tool and Google Calendar tool in our Insighto and book appointments with it. Thank you.